Hello, and thanks for taking a moment to learn a little bit more about our latest January 2011 V59 release. This is now the second release of the month. So what's new in V59? Well, some of the highlights include a brand new contact preview UI, Facebook connections, Twitter profile search, user license management, and for Salesforce.com users, custom automated watch lists. So let's take a closer look at each of these. The new Contact Preview UI allows you to access not only traditional business card information, including contact details, but it also gives you access to an exec's social presence and all the social profiles we've been able to detect for that exec. And you can access this by simply placing your cursor over any executive name anywhere in the InsideView app. Our Facebook connections allow you to view and leverage any of your personal relationships from Facebook. These were brought into the application alongside your LinkedIn connections and your InsideView Smart connections. So you now have a single interface from which to view all of the relationships you have into a given organization. The Twitter profile search will now appear in the executive detail view in InsideView. So as you're looking at any exec profile, you'll be able to search for their Twitter profile, and wherever you find that, you can associate it to the InsideView record. At that point, all of their tweets will be streaming into the InsideView record alongside their other contact information. So you'll be able to see what's top of mind for that executive, be it personal interests or their business needs. Our user license management UI will now be available to any designated administrator within your account. That means you can now control who's given InsideView licenses. So as users arrive or depart from your organization or change roles, you'll be able to much more easily manage the assignment of InsideView licenses. And finally, for our Salesforce.com users, the second generation of our automated watch list feature now allows you to create watch lists based on completely custom criteria. In other words, you're no longer constrained to just those accounts or opportunities that you own. Now this opens up a whole host of new use cases. So for sales managers and sales leadership, you can now create a watch list to track, let's say, any large opportunities that are going to close in the quarter, regardless of which rep owns that account or the associated opportunities. Account managers and support staff can now track existing customer accounts, again, regardless of which sales rep might own those accounts or opportunities. And an inside sales rep that supports one or more field sales reps can now track with one watch list or multiple watch lists all of the key accounts that are owned by those respective field reps that he or she supports. The possibilities are endless. It's a great feature. So thanks for taking just a few minutes to learn about what's in our V59 release. As usual, if you'd like more details, you can always go to our new release page at InsideView.com/new release. If you have any specific questions or like to schedule a training session with your CSM, please reach out to us at support@InsideView.com. And finally, if you have any product feedback or suggestions, I'd love to hear those. Please send those to us at feedback@InsideView.com. Thanks again and have a great day.